it's a cod.
Oh, it's a cod.
Nice cod.
We like cod.
Yeah, cod's good.
Take cod.
Look at that. Well, the nice thing about cod is they run in schools. If there's one, there's probably more.
He caught a fish so fast.
Oh, there you go. There you go. Oh, nice cod. Oh, there we go.
Nope.
There he is on. Oh,
Why did you got one?
oh, there's one. Oh, nice one though.
Yeah.
Look at that. Nice. There we go.
Got a halibut.
Nice.
Not too big a one, but that's
I
a
reeled
decent
it
halibut.
up.
That's a decent halibut. Tommy's got one here. All right.